Exercise 1.5 is about factors. We can define a factor of a number to be a whole number that divides it exactly with no remainder. So any number, let's say we are having a 14. So any other whole number that divides this number 14 completely without leaving a remainder, those numbers that divides it completely are called as the factors. So in this case, 7 and 2 are the factors of 14, and here as you can see that their division leaves us no remainder. So 7 and 2 are factors of 14. In the same way, 5 and 3 are factors of 15. So every number has at least one and itself as a factor. Just like in the example of number 5. 5 is a number whose factors are 1 and 5 itself. In here now, in order to find a factor of a number, there are two methods. As we defined, factor is the number that divides it completely. So we look for the division method. We test each number by dividing it and see if it is giving us a whole number. If it is, then that number is a factor. If it is not giving us a whole number, then it is not the factor. In here, as I have shown you for 24, for the number 24, we have divided it by 1, we have gotten 24, so 1 is a factor of 24. 24 divided by 2, we get 12. 12 is a whole number, no remainder left, so it is a factor. 24 divided by 3 gives us 8, so 3 is a factor. The same way, 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. It's also 4 is also a factor. Then we are having 24 divided by 5. It gives us a decimal number, and if we see the division of it, it gives us a remainder. So remainder, since it is giving us, therefore it can not be a factor of 24. So 5 is not a factor of 24. 24 divided by 6, it gives us 4, which is again a whole number, and it leaves no remainder. Therefore 6 is a factor of 24. Another method is that we find all the multiplication pairs that makes the number. 1 multiplied by 24, this makes a pair, is equal to 24. So these two, as you can see, gives us 24. So this pair is a factor pair of 24. 2 multiplied by 12, 24. 3 multiplied by 18, 24. 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24. So underlined in blue are all the factors of 24. To list factors in numerical order, we go down the left side. As you can see, this is our left side, this is our right side. 24, 12, 16, 18, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, or we can go from this side to this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 18, 12, and 24. And we should not repeat a factor. Let's say if I write 24 multiplied by 1 is equal to 24, or 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24, so it would be the repetition of a factor pair or the factor itself. So we are not to repeat a factor when we are expressing it. Now coming to the question in here, we are asked to list all the factors of the given number in here. For 4, we are having 3 factors. 1, 2, and 4 are the numbers that completely divide 4 without leaving a remainder. So 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4, and 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. So 4, 2, and 1 are the factors of 4. 5 being the prime number, it has only 2 factors, 1 and 5. 8 has 1 multiplied by 8 is equal to 8. 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. So 8, 4, 2, and 1. These are all the factors of 8. 11 again being the prime number, it has 2 factors, 1 and itself. 18 again, it has factor of 1 multiplied by 18 is equal to 18. 2 multiplied by 9 is equal to 18. And 3 multiplied by 16 is equal to 18. So 18, 9, 6, 3, 2, 1. These are all the factors of 18. Then we have 12. 1 multiplied by 12 is equal to 12. 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. And 3 multiplied by 18 is equal to 12. Using the factor pair method, we have found the different factor pairs in which we have multiplied the different numbers to get that number, and that is our factor for that given number. For all the numbers enlisted, I have tried to imply the factor pair method by using the multiplication method. I have found the different factor pairs, the different number multiplied with each other to give us that number enlisted in here, and those numbers, those pairs are our factor pairs giving us the factor. The lowest factor of any number is 1, and the highest factor is the number itself. So in here, as you can see, 90 is the highest factor. If, let's say, if we go beyond 90, it's not possible, because 90 can be completely divided by a number equal to itself or lower than itself, not higher than itself. If, let's say, I write 100 in here, so if 100 cannot be a factor of 90, because it will never completely divide it. We will always have a remainder. So the highest factor of any number is the number itself, and the lowest is, of course, 1. That's all for this question. I hope it's all clear. Happy learning.